Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and if you've heard of CapCut but don't really know what it is or what it does, this is the video for you. We're going over what CapCut is, what it's used for, and what you can actually create with it. Whether you're editing TikToks, Reels, YouTube videos, or something bigger. Let's get into it. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editing app made by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. It's available on both mobile and PC, and it's built to make video editing simple, powerful, and accessible, even if you've never edited a video before. CapCut gives you pro-level tools without needing expensive software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. CapCut is used for editing all kinds of content. You can trim, cut, add text, transitions, effects, and music. Everything you expect from a full editor, just way easier. It's also super popular because it works fast, exports in HD, and doesn't slap a watermark on your videos, unless you're on a free version. Here's just a taste of what you can do inside CapCut. Add auto captions with one click. Use AI voiceovers or convert text to speech. Remove backgrounds with green screen tools. Sync your cuts perfectly to beats. Animate text, photos, and video clips with keyframes. Apply cinematic filters, color grading, and motion blur. Use templates or start completely from scratch, whether you're editing on your phone or desktop. It's made for creators who want pro results without the stress. If you're creating content for the internet in 2025, you need a fast, easy, and powerful editor. CapCut is exactly that. It's perfect for beginners, but deep enough for advanced edits too. So that's what CapCut is, a creator-friendly video editor that helps you make amazing content fast. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.